Okay, so we're demoing the old sink, getting ready for a new sink. And Dave is here doing the demo.
Charles, I put it to eat.
Alright, starting my table.
Oh, I see.
Hi! Where are you? There you are. No, that's me. Where are you? Yes, I see your screen. Thank you. Like that.
And get the rest of those screws out and then get this cleaned up. So,
Boris inspecting the demo.
Start, like portioning out the barbecue sauce and
Yeah.
things and stuff.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Well, that saves a trip.
Heck yeah, that's exciting.
It is actually, I'll give you a day to fool around with just whatever.
Yeah. Sometime I am gonna go to Bill. I gotta take. Well, my friend recommended us a place to go get our hair cut. Oh, good. A couple places. And I really gotta go to the bathroom, so I'm gonna go do that. I love you.
I would get some 3 or 4 inch screws.
When
Minimum.
I was younger, my parents,
The head will fit in that.
they would
But
take
these
me
are
to
small,
shows, like cowboy poetry
but
shows.
you're gonna have to
and,
do that.
They tell all sorts of stories and stuff.
Yeah, that's it. See how these. Yeah, that'd be easy to do. Okay.
Look at the bottom one too.
I know. Okay, so what you do on a day that you're not gonna be open, because you don't wanna be working on this, what you're gonna do is you wanna prop that up so it doesn't move. And you wanna prop it up so it's in this position. Okay? And then you wanna take all that shit out. You wanna take and, get you some wood or some dowel pins. I
Yeah.
don't know, depends on how big the holes are. You can probably do dowel pins better than, again, do the glue and the dowel pin. Stick the dowel pin, drive it all the way in, make sure that it's